We're learning more about Robbins Lumber Mill, where that explosion yesterday happened. So Robbins Lumber is a sixth-generation family-owned sawmill. It's been operating in the Sears-Mont area since 1881. On the company's website, it says the mill operations, that's the area we saw that heavy smoke coming from, is located on a 40-acre site that includes a biomass cogeneration plant, a computerized sawmill, lumber kilns, and 70,000 square feet of warehouse. Dana Doran, director of the Professional Logging Contractors of Northeast, says the company employs a large local workforce and also takes in lumber from more than 100 logging contractors throughout the state. Sears-Mont is home to a little under 1,500 people. The town does have a volunteer fire department, and dozens of other local departments from places like Thorndike and Appleton had responded to that fire and explosion. And again, the cause is still unknown, but Doran says there are several hazards that come with working with such a flammable material. Doran says the Robbins are a well-respected family whose business is a huge economic driver for the Mid-Coast region.
Their economic footprint is very large. They're purchasing wood from 60 to 80 miles away from their facility, so that impacts landowners, that impacts loggers, that has indirect job impacts as well. And from our perspective, I think we just want to make sure that everybody down there is okay and is healthy and is safe. And we'll worry about the impact to the business in the future. But first and foremost, the priority are the people.
And we've heard from members of the Robbins family who say the mill will not be operating this upcoming week. And this is video of a Life Flight helicopter that had taken off from Belfast and landed at Maine Medical Center in Portland around 1:50 yesterday afternoon. Again, we know that at least 10 people were taken to hospitals around Maine. Now, the Waldo County Regional Communications Center referred to this as a mass casualty event. From reading the Waldo County Emergency Operations Plan, the assumption made during a mass casualty event is that the emergency medical services system in the county will be immediately overwhelmed. Several of those who were injured in the explosion have been transported outside of the county. Now, Maine Medical Center in Portland expected 10 patients to be transferred there last night to its emergency department. Those patients were initially treated at other hospitals. Maine Health is the only level 1 trauma center in the state and the only one with a burn unit. During a mass casualty event, the Waldo County Hospital cannot take more than 8 patients at a time in the emergency department, and even less if they're in critical condition. We know Northern Light Eastern Maine Medical Center received 1 patient yesterday afternoon. That patient was described to be in critical condition and has since been moved to another facility. EMMC staff say that they're also prepared to receive more.